A cruise vacation offers a unique and exciting way to travel and explore multiple destinations in one trip. Cruises provide all-inclusive packages covering meals, accommodations, and entertainment, making budgeting easy. Cruising means no packing and unpacking at every stop. Your hotel is traveling with you. There are diverse dining options available, from fine dining to casual buffets, catering to every taste. Cruises offer a safe and secure environment, making it ideal for families and solo travelers. With entertainment options like shows, movies, and live music, there's never a dull moment. Onboard activities can include pools, sports, classes, and workshops tailored for all ages. Cruises often include stops at stunning locations, ideal for unique excursions and adventures. You can relax and unwind with amenities like spas, fitness centers, and lounges. Meet new friends from around the world, sharing your experiences and making lasting memories. Enjoy flexible itineraries with the chance to explore multiple ports without the hassle of flights. Cruise vacations can be family-friendly, with kids' clubs, teen lounges, and activities for all ages. Experience themed cruises that focus on hobbies, interests, or cultures for a tailored experience. Enjoy breathtaking views from your cabin or deck while sailing through beautiful waters. Cruises cater to different budgets, with options ranging from luxury to more affordable choices. Traveling by sea often means fewer crowds compared to popular land destinations. You have the freedom to engage in excursions or relax on board, making it entirely your choice. Cruise lines offer special packages for celebrations like anniversaries and birthdays, adding extra joy. You can experience a variety of cultures all in one trip, enriching your perspective and understanding. Lastly, taking a cruise can provide unforgettable memories that last a lifetime, ensuring you cherish the experience.